Hello everyone, John here with Shooting Tips and Tricks. How's it going? It's been a while. Yeah, the channel's not quite dead. It's just been in a coma for a while. Yep, but I finally got things sorted out and I plan on uploading again here soon. Now, for the dozen or so of you that watch my videos pretty regularly and wondering what happened, well, lots of shit, both good and bad. But started out with my shop being hit by a landslide. That kind of sucks. And luckily the machines survived. Yep, both the mill and the lathe are fine. Aside from a little rebuilding on the lathe here. After that, there's all the crap with YouTube. Demonetizing the entire channel, deleting multiple videos. It's always discouraging. And other than that, just work has been pretty busy. But I have my new shop built here on the family property, literally right outside my gun range. So yeah, right out the front door, it's 50 yards from my targets. So that's always a plus. Now, the main reason I'm making this video is because after getting everything sorted out and then 2020 happening, I'm finally in a position to where I'm going to start uploading videos again. Now, going to be a little sporadic on when, because I am still pretty busy and it's just me working here. So it's going to be dependent, but I do have some stuff planned. Now, one of the things I have planned is a 1-inch chunk of rebar. We're going to be machining this down on the lathe and on the mill, and I'm going to be calling it the, rebar Mark IV. So that's one that we're going to be doing. Other than that, we're going to be working with some sheet metal. Since YouTube hates guns, so we're going to have to work with something else. We have this type of sheet metal here we're going to be working with, and this type of sheet metal here we're going to be working with. So we'll see how those go. Other than that, I also have this little Ruger Wrangler here. I'm going to be taking and putting this guy on the lathe and turning it into a smooth bore specifically for shooting birdshot. And we're going to see how that works out. Now, that's why I chose the Ruger Wrangler, because $200 gun. If it doesn't turn out, not a huge loss. But I think it will. So a few of the projects that I have planned for the future, or I'd say near future, but I don't know when. But it will be happening. Now, other than that, another thing that spurred this video is, even though I haven't been uploading much, I've been trying to stay active, answering comments, helping people, stuff like that. Found out here recently that Yahoo, for some reason, has been sending all of my messages to the spam folder, except the stuff that belongs in the spam folder, like their crap advertisements and random junk mail, or their promotions. Yeah. So anyone that sent me an email in like the past 6 months, I didn't get it. Other than that, if you guys do want to get a hold of me and you don't want to leave it in a public comment down below, Facebook, email, that's the best way to get me. I'm just checking the spam folder all the time now. I am on Twitter, but that place is a shit show and I'd rather stay away from it. Other than that, we have a few other things planned. Probably going to be doing some product reviews. People seem to like those. And I have been contacted by a few companies wanting to review some of their stuff for some reason. You'd think someone doesn't upload in, 3 years? You might not want to contact them, but they want me to do reviews, so I'll probably do it. Unless they want me to do a biased review that makes them look a little better, in which case they can go take a flying fuck. So yeah, a few things I have planned, a few things I got straightened out, and I think that's about it. Alright, so guys got any questions, let me know in the comments. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.